Hello everyone, myself Pratik Pujari. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video is gonna be about bank and simple interest for standard 6. So let's get right into the video. First, by listening the topic bank and simple interest, the word bank. I think everyone knows the bank and everyone has gone to the bank and went. You or your parents must be having a bank account. Yes, you have visited us several times in the bank. It's not at the first time you are listening, it's the bank. The bank is a government organized or recognized institution that carries out all the money transaction. That carries out all the money transaction. It is a financial organization. Bank is a financial organization or financial institution in which we can deposit our money, we can take a loan, or we can, and while depositing our money, we get a interest for depositing in the bank. Okay, from that the word derives some simple interest. So, for the brief about the bank and about various types of account and what are the proofs that we needed for a bank account. So let's get into it. The small presentation topic bank and simple interest for 6th standard. Yes, bank account. In the order to open a bank account, one needs the following document. For opening a bank account, okay, any individual of India or foreign countries, they need a bank account for depositing their money, which is very safe. Okay, if we keep in our house, it someone may be robbed, or it may be happened, or someone will snatch from us, or something happens. Okay, so that we keep a money in the bank for our safety. So for opening a bank account, the following are the details or the following documents are needed. That is proof of identity. Proof of identity. Name, okay, name, age, okay. They want the identity where he lives, the proof of residence. Residence means address. Address, okay. Where does he live? Okay. Is that address real or fake? Okay. And last is reference of an existing account holder. That is witness. If you're opening a bank account, they will tell they want a witness. Means someone should be having a belief in you. Then he will give a witness. Okay. The next, that is a type of accounts. Bank, there are total four types of account. Please remember, these types of question comes for the objective question, which carries 1 or 2 marks. Okay. First type is saving account, which we all are saving. All individual have a saving account. Current account is basically based for businessmen. Is basically based for businessmen. This is for all individual. Okay. This is for individual, business purpose, or business account. Business purpose or business account. Okay. Fixed deposit account. It means you have to deposit the amount for the fixed period. Means a fix for 10 years. If you're depositing 10,000 for 10 years, it's not at 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 every year or 1,000 every month. It means at initial point of time that you have to deposit 10,000 and after 5 or 10 years, after 5 years, you have to withdraw all that amount that you will get a fixed amount of interest. Okay, fixed amount of interest. That is a fixed deposit. Once you deposit it, or you have to deposit only one. Recurring deposit account. Recurring deposit account means you have to deposit every month. Okay, you have made a recurring deposit of 20,000. Okay, so every month once in 6 months, you have to deposit a particular amount that is 3,000 or 4,000, which up to 20,000. Okay, from that also this is called recurring means you're going again you're depositing next month or after 6 months again you're depositing. That is recurring again and again. So for calculating this, For coming into this one, that is simple interest. Okay, we would require principal amount, interest, rate of interest, that is PCPA. Okay, PCPA per annum, percentage per annum, PCPA percentage per annum. So simple interest that we shall learn only about a interest charge on 1 year. Simple interest which is charged on 1 year, this is known as simple interest. Okay, interest may be a longer period of time that can often quite complicated. The rate of simple interest differ from the deposit to deposit. Rate of simple interest differ from deposit to deposit. Okay, simple interest same we have gone through. Okay, now let's move on to the practical question. Practice set 35. I think we start reading. Everyone start reading the question. Yes, I think everyone has read. So the first question, that is rate is 10 PCPA. That what would be the interest of 1 year? Okay, they have given the interest of 1 year. So we have to calculate for 1 year. So let's start. First we'll write the information given in the question. Practice set practice set 35. Okay, everyone. First question. That is principal amount. That is 6,000. Okay, and the rate of interest is 10 PCPA. 10 PCPA. So let the interest on principal of 6,000 be X. So they are told to find the interest on principal. So let the interest on principal for of rupees 6,000 be X. So to 6,000 be X. Okay. By taking the ratio, we have to solve this problem by ratio 1. Okay. Ratio RATIO, that is X upon 6,000 is equal to 10 upon 100. It is equal to 10 upon 100. So cross multiplication, 6,000 into 10 x into 100. 6,000 into 10 x into 100. Now everyone multiply. X will keep aside. 6,000 into 10 upon 100. So I think calculation is very easy. 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. So x is 600. So interest is 600. Interest amount is 600. Interest rupees 600. Interest is rupees 600. Okay. So the interest of 1 year is rupees 600. That you have to write in your notebook. I'm dictating now. The interest of 6,000 for 1 year is 600. Now the question number two. Yes, pause the video. Read question number two. Yes, in that they are told Ganesh deposited 8,650 the bank at 6% PCPA. How much will he get at the end of the year all? They have not told that only find the interest. They have told he will get interest, but how much he will get in total. Okay, and he has deposited for a year. Okay, it means for 1 year. Okay, so let's solve question 2 solution. Principal 8650 8650 rate of interest 6 PCPA 6 PCPA. Let the interest on principal be X. Okay. Let the interest on principal be X. Principal amount that is 8650 be X. Okay. That is X upon 8650 is equal to 6 upon 100. 8650 6 upon 100. Okay, by finding the equation we can find that is cross multiplication x is equal to 100, that is equal to 8650 into 6. 8650 into 6 again 8650 into 6 upon 100. 8650 upon 6 upon 100. So let's calculate. I think everyone knows how to calculate. You're not a small child. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. Write the answer in the chat section. I'm waiting here. Everyone, write the answer in the chat section. As I think the mature children who knows the calculation, they might be written. Now I will show the calculation part. That is 8650 into 6 upon 100. The 100 0 will get cancelled. Okay, after that you will get, that is x is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 865 into 3 divide by 5. So 5 5 can divisible, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. How many remain? 3. Okay, 36. You are getting as 36. So let me write with this one small one. 36. So 5 how many 36? 5 sevens are 35, 1 remain, 5, 5 3 is the 15, that is 173 into 3. 173 into 3. Everyone write the answer in the chat section. 173 into 3. Yes, I think everyone wrote, that is 519. The answer is 519. Okay, that he will get 519 at the end of the year. And in the question that told how much total. So amount received, that is principal plus interest. Okay, you can write that 8650 plus 519. Everyone calculate and write in the chat section. Pause the video, calculate and write in the chat section. It's compulsory for everyone who's ever watching the video. They must do calculation. Okay, it is good for you only, not for me. It's good for you. You may be in the advanced level of calculation. So I think everyone has wrote, that is 9,169. 9,169. So Mahesh will get 9,169 at the end of the year. Mahesh will get 9,169 at the end of the year. Everyone read question number 4. Question number 4. Yes, I think everyone has read question number 4. That is, they have told Aman Chandan borrowed Cha- Ahmad Chacha borrowed. Sorry, I have read wrong the question. That is, Ahmad Chacha borrowed 25,000 at 12 PCPA for a year. How? What amount will he have to return to the bank at the end of the year? End of the year, in the year means only 1 year. Okay, you have to find only 1 year. So question number 3. Principal amount 25,000. Rate of interest 12 PCPA. Okay. So let the interest on principal of 25,000 be X. I think everyone has understood, and everyone can understand handwriting, because my writing pad pen tablet that is not working clearly, so the handwriting is like slanting. Don't worry, if you are getting any doubt, you can drop down a question in the chat section. I will be there for you for clearing. Okay, so x upon 25,000 is equal to 12 upon 100. X upon 25,000 is equal to 12 upon 100. Cross multiplication, x is equal to x into 100 is 25,000 into 12. X upon 25,000 into 12. So x as it is, 100 downside, 5,000 into 12 upon 100. Same, minus 0, 1, 2. So remaining is 25,000 into 12. So students, calculate and write in the chat section. 25 12 yes, sorry, it's cancel to 0, correct. It's 2500 into 12. The answer they are getting as 3000. The answer they're getting as 3000. In a year you are getting answer as 3000. But how much you will get? Okay, that is amount received, that is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is 25,000, interest 3000. So 25 plus 3000, how much? 28,000. Okay, 28,000. So Ahmad Chacha will get 28,000 at the end of the year. Ahmad Chacha will get 28,000 at the end of the year. Now read question number 4. Pause the video and read question number 4, everyone. That is, Kishan Rao wanted to make a pond in his field. He borrowed rupees 35,250 from a bank at the interest rate of 6 PCPA. 35,250 at the rate of interest, that is 6% PCPA. How much interest she has to pay to the bank at the end of the year? Means only we have to calculate for 1 year. It's the last sum of your bank and simple interest. So be focused. Okay, don't hesitate here and there. Be focused. Stay calm. Now let's solve. It's not a big one. The question is only big. The finding is very small for this one. We have to find only the interest, not the total amount. Okay, in this they are told only find the how much interest is getting, not the total amount. Okay, so let's start with the question number 4, everyone. Yes, everyone with me? Hit the thumbs up in the chat section if everyone is with me. Hit the thumbs up in the chat section. Yes. Okay, question 4. Principal amount 35,250. 35,250. Rate of interest 6 PCPA. Rate of interest PCPA. Let the interest on principal be X. No. Let the interest on principal amount be X. Principal amount, that is 35 250 be X. Okay. So X upon 35250. Okay, wait, let me write here. It's equal to 6 upon 100. It is equal to 6 upon 100. Now cross multiplication, X to 100 is 35250 is 6. So X upon 100. 35206 upon 100. I think everyone is quite enough for the calculation. Should I write directly answer or you want the calculation part? Write in the chat section yes or no. Yes for the calculation part, no. That is means, yeah, you know how to calculate. So hit the yes or no in the chat section. I'm waiting here. Okay, I think everyone wants the calculation. So let's calculate this 35250 to 6 upon 100. 0 0 will get cancelled. Okay, so 3525. There is no comma in between this here. 6 the whole upon 10. So 6 and 10 is divisible now. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So here also 5. That is 3525 into 3 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. Yes, 5 fives are 25. That is 75 into 3. 75 into 3. The answer getting as, anyone guess the answer in the chat section? 75 threes are. Yes, student, that answer in the chat section. I want your answer. Sorry, I think small minor here, minor mistake. That is, okay, we did here. That is 0 5. Okay, the one digit 2 is 0, 2 is smaller than 5. So 705 into 3. 705. There's a small error in this. Don't worry. Calculate again. 705 into 3. Okay. 705 into 3. Everyone got the answer? Write the answer in the chat section. Let me see. I'm waiting for you. Yes, the answer is 2115. 2150. 2150. So, Ahmad Chacha, sorry, it's not Ahmad Chacha, it's Kishore Rao, has to pay 2115 at the end of the year to the bank. Has to pay the interest of 2115, okay, to the bank at the end of the year. So today we did all the based on banks simple interest. We have calculated the simple interest, how to calculate. Okay, we can understand how many types of account. Student, write the answer in the chat section. How many types of accounts are there? I'm waiting for your answer. Write the answer in the chat section. I have told you properly. I have explained you all. Yes, there are total four types of bank account. This you might be if you have to read this at least once. It won't come for the exam, but for your preference or your reference, you should have this knowledge. Okay, this is very important. How many types of account the bank? Okay, I have to memorize this part, the whole this part. Okay, saving account, current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit. This is for business. Sorry, not for business. I was kidding here. Current is for business. Saving is for individual. Current is for individual, fixed deposit is for everyone, and recurring deposit also everyone. But fixed deposit means a lump sum amount, a fixed amount of deposit you can't withdraw. Okay, and recurring means every year or every month you have to deposit a particular sum of money every year, particular sum of money every month, every year or day. That is now here. This is principal amount, rate of interest and interest. How much interest you are getting? Rate of interest PCPA percentage per annum. PCPA percentage per annum. The interest charge for 1 year or a certain amount of principal, that is called simple interest. Interest charge for the longer period can often be complicated, and it is different from simple interest. It is different for simple interest. Okay. So today enough for the day. Everyone please note in your notebook. Yes, everyone be please thorough. If you're getting any doubt, queries, any question, please write in the comment section. I'll be there for you. Okay, don't feel any shy to write the answer, write the question. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, then, okay, everyone, take good care of yourself. See you all in the next video. Bye, everyone. Have a good day.